Adobe Premiere is now on your phone and it's completely changing how creators edit videos. This section is for every creator who have ever looked at their footage and thought, I wish I had a better background. Or maybe your room is cluttered. Maybe the wall behind you is plain and very boring. Or maybe you just want to look more professional without spending money on studio setup. This app has given us the power to be able to change our background to anything we want. The first thing you need to do is to import your video clip into the timeline. Now, before you touch anything else, open Google or any AI image generator on your phone and download or generate a background of your choice. Now, come back into Premiere and import the background you just downloaded. While your main project is selected, scroll to the right, tap Remove Background. The app will process your video clip and automatically separate you from whatever background was behind you. Now scroll back to the left and tap Move Up. This lifts your video clip above the background image on the timeline so you are layered correctly. Your background sits at the bottom and your main project sits on top of it. Next, tap on the background image and extend it so it runs the full length of your video from start to finish. Now tap on the background image and use your finger to pinch and zoom and reposition it until it fits the screen the way you want it. Then tap on your video clip and make any adjustment needed to the size and position so everything sits naturally together. If you look at this result, the background is not blending well with my footage. There is a white effect on my neck area and it's looking very obvious that I changed my background. It's not what I want at all. I want it to be seamless. So I will simply import a different background and I will delete the first one. Go through the same adjustment steps. Getting the right background to match is worth the extra minute it takes, okay? So make sure you experiment with different background. And that's it. You have successfully changed your video background without a green screen, without a studio, and without any expensive equipment. But before you go off and start shooting everything for your background remover, I want to give you 3 rules that will make the difference between a result that looks professional and one that looks like a rushed edit. Number 1, your lighting. This is the most important factor. If your lighting is poor when you are filming, the background remover tool will struggle to cleanly separate you from your background. And this will make you end up with a rough and uneven edge around your body. So make sure you are well lit up from the front before you even press that record. Rule number 2 is your background when shooting. Make sure there is nothing behind you when you are filming. No shelves, no furniture, no objects of any kind. If there are items behind you, when the app removes the background, those objects will not be removed with it. They will be floating in your video, making it look completely out of place, which is not what you want. Number 3 is your background matching. The replacement background you choose should feel similar in tone and lighting to the environment where you filmed your clip, okay? If you shoot your video in a warm light room and you drop a cold blue studio background, your skin tone and that background will clash and it will look unnatural no matter how clean the app removed the background. So choose a background that looks like your original footage so that the both of them, both you and the background, will blend into each other. If this video helped you, drop a comment below to let me know. I read all the comments and I promise to respond to each one as soon as possible. And for more tips and tutorial on how to use this app, check out this link here. Hit the subscribe button and turn on all post notification because I put out videos that gives practical knowledge you can use immediately.